Hello, and welcome back for another video. This is the 6th video in the mini-series, and it'll be going over how to download the Excel metadata template and how to fill it out. I prefer to fill out the Excel metadata template before depositing onto Borealis, as it helps keep track of progress. The template can be found within Borealis in the University of Guelph Research Data Repositories, and it is titled How to Deposit Research Data in the Agri-Environmental Research Data Repository, or the University of Guelph Research Data Repository. And the metadata template itself is a file embedded, so you can find it at the very bottom as an Excel file titled zt_ug_dataset metadata template. And to access it, click the link, then click the blue bar titled Access File, which will bring a drop-down menu, and from that, select the MS Excel spreadsheet, and then accept the terms to download. Once you've downloaded the spreadsheet, this is what it should look like, and within the Metadata Element tab, you will find different terms that are bolded with a red asterisk. These are terms that are required for ingest onto Borealis, so fill them out. And then there are additional terms that are not bolded or with a red asterisk. These are additional information that if you have them, it's good to input, but it's not required. And if we scroll down to the very bottom of the spreadsheet, we can find the end user license, which provides different options for selecting licensing. For ease of access, I have attached a link to access this spreadsheet in the transcript of this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video in the mini-series, which will go over how to deposit files onto Borealis.